Morning, folks. My alarm's just gone off, so I'm going to quickly get up, go and grab that camera, and then come back to bed. Beautiful sunshine this morning. Holy fuck. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. It fell off. It was on there. Oh my god. Oh. Scared the shit out of me. So back after that terrifying experience of walking to the spot and seeing that the camera had gone. We're back. Let's have a look, see what we've got. So can you believe it? Oh dear. So after all that, after all the stressing about setting it up, after setting it up, after sleeping for probably 4 hours, and then getting up early, rushing over there, absolutely bobbing myself as you walk closer and you can see that the power back had gone, and then you walk around the corner and you see the camera had gone. Oh. And then luckily finding it on the floor. To get that 12 seconds of grass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, I'll go back to bed for an hour. Oh dear. I'm going back to bed. Oh my god. Morning, folks. So I'm up now. I tried to snooze again. I tried to go back to sleep, but I couldn't get back to sleep. I snoozed for probably 40 minutes or something, but I couldn't get back to sleep. So I think we'll get up and get on with the day. It is glorious outside. Absolutely beautiful outside. So I think we're near like a nature reserve, so I'm going to get my breakfast on the go, have a nice cup of tea, and then we'll go and have a little explore. I can hear a lot of motorbikes. If I was at home, I would be on my motorbike now. Because this is the nice time of the day when it's not too hot. And the roads are kind of quiet. So can you guess what I've got for breakfast? Bacon cobs. You know I love my bacon cobs. Just for a camp. Always have them on a camp. Oh, my hay fever is bad, man. And I've rubbed my freaking eye. I think it was a bird watcher. Right, I need a bit of a wind shade. That will do the job just nice. Don't rub your eyes, don't rub your eyes. Bacon time. What time is it? It's bacon time. These are big old bits of bacon. Let's get this on the go. So it looks like just down the road there's a nature reserve. So I think after breakfast we'll go and have a little wander around there. I'll leave the van here and just walk down, it's not that far. There's all sorts. Pioneer Hide, Round Island, Hawthorne Island, viewing screen, all sorts of bits. Bacon. Looking good. Some cheese to on. My hay fever is killing me. I have to wear the glasses to stop the hay fever getting in my eyes. We are looking good. That is looking bang on. Bang tidy. Breakfast is served. Definitely some kind of car meet or BMW meet going on. Probably had 50 BMWs go by. Right, so we're going to go off for a walk, and it's warming up now, so I thought I'd put the vest back on, just so I don't get too hot. The van is ready to go now, so let's go and have a little explore before it gets too hot, before my hay fever gets even worse. I was going to go down to that nature reserve, but there's no road, but there's no path on the road, and there is a lot of cars blasting down there, and it's quite a bit of a walk as well, so I don't think it's going to be overly safe when I've got this just here. So I'm going to explore around the mill. That's where the camera was last night, and the way I left it is I could see the power bank cables hanging out. So when I came to it this morning and I was walking towards it and I couldn't see the power bank cables, I absolutely bobbed myself. And then when I walk around the side and then see that the camera has gone, oh, that was just my worst nightmare. My worries, all of the worries from yesterday came true in that moment, and I was like, oh my god. Now what I think had happened is the boys had moved, causing the battery pack to fall, and then the cable of that pulled the camera down. I need to get my little secret box, my rent-a-kill box made. Look at that going for it. Alright, let's get back on the path. Go and explore this little river. And try not to get bit to buggery or sunburned. It's nice to be back out and about again. I briefly said earlier I've not been well. As some of you know, I've got MS, and I had a scan about a year ago, and I've got a lot of new active lesions, which are not good news. So, general gist of that is my meds aren't working. So, neurologist put me on a new medication. And it's a real new one. Only just started using it in the UK. Has really good results. So I was on that for 4 weeks, and then had a blood test, and the blood test showing that my white blood cells had dropped dangerously low, and they've had to pull me off the meds. And at the minute I'm recovering from the meds. I'm not on any meds at all, trying to let my white blood cell count lift back up. An adult's blood cells, white blood cells, should be between 1 and 4. Mine was down to 0.04, which is very, very low. But it explains why I was feeling so ill. I did a camp and everything went wrong. I was having an awful time and I felt awful, and now I know why. I never edited that camp. Maybe one day it'll make it to the channel. Oh, we've got some baby swans, some cygnets. But I am starting to feel better. I would say this past week I've started feeling more like myself. My energy's back and I just feel more like me again, which is great news. And it means now I can come out and enjoy this. And it's been a wicked, lovely spot. It's probably the furthest away I've been, which I feel is a bit risky, because if it doesn't work, you can't just go home. Well, you can, I suppose. You've got to kind of make it work. But anyway. That pizza last night was banging. I'm really getting the hang now with the old ridge monkey. I do think at some point I want to get a slightly bigger one. The one that's a pan and the griddle pan. Because I think I could cook pies in that and all sorts. Soon. I'll get one soon. Unless Ridge Monkey want to send me one. I've got this river on one side, and then lakes, loads of lakes over that side. Now, bit of a disclaimer, I don't know anything about paddleboarding, but what I'm going to say is, could you paddleboard down here? Is it allowed? I don't know. Is there places you can and can't do it? I don't know. I've seen a few of you van lifers recently with your inflatable ones. It's always something I've liked the idea of, but something I've put no effort or thought into. But I wonder if you could, because this is beautiful and it's so calm. You just paddle along and then paddle back. Right at the middle you can get in the water. Who knows? So I've just found a little landing dock for canoeing. So you can get out there to get past this lock. And I'm right underneath some pylons and you can hear the electricity buzzing away. You can almost feel it in the air as well. Right. What did I literally say 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago about paddleboarding? So you can do it. He's got his bag on the front, his pack lunch in. It's supposed to be absolutely mega for your core. For building your core strength and your balance. I don't know if you'll hear it, just heard a cuckoo. Not had a cuckoo in years. So I'm nearly out of battery and I'm virtually out of space. So I'm going to say see you later, folks. Thanks for coming along. And for all of those that showed up on the live, thank you very much. Hopefully there'll be more of them. If you want to see the live, then here it is. Oh. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care. Bye bye bye.